desperate voices, and no one knew what to do. People were trapped inside their cars, inside their homes, and the water was rising fast. Texas descended into chaos as a slow-moving storm unleashed relentless rain over the hill country. Entire towns were swallowed in the dark. Kerr and Kendall counties were hit the hardest. Homes vanished, roads crumbled, lives were swept away. By dawn, over 10 inches of rain had fallen near Hunt. The Guadalupe River surged past 25 feet, its second highest crest ever recorded. Within hours, neighborhoods became lakes, highways turned into rivers, and people were caught completely off guard.
Oh my God! The Kirby house! Oh my gosh, y'all look.
Oh no. Oh no.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god, dude.
Oh.
911 calls poured in. 1812 Coke Street. We need a boat. Elderly people are trapped. Please, anyone. Confirmed deaths began rising. Dozens were missing, pulled from campsites, cabins, or their cars. In Kerrville, floodwaters swallowed streets. People climbed onto rooftops and into trees, waiting for help. Schools and churches became emergency shelters for families who escaped with only soaked clothes on their backs. Camp Mystic, an all-girls retreat, was devastating.
At least 82 people are now dead in the catastrophic flooding across the state. Many dozens more still missing or unaccounted for right now. Crews are out right now searching for survivors, with more rain in the forecast in the coming day.
Cabins collapsed, children separated. Rescue crews dug through debris, while terrified parents waited for answers that came far too slowly. In Ingram, entire RV parks were torn from the ground. Comfort saw the river rise nearly 30 feet in under an hour.
just got hammered with water. I should have rolled my window up.
Kerrville climbed 21 feet in just 60 minutes. It was too much, too fast. Governor Greg Abbott deployed the National Guard, FEMA, and Coast Guard in a desperate attempt to save lives. Helicopters, high water trucks, swift water rescue teams, but the destruction had already spread too far.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Fences were gone, barns destroyed, entire herds of cattle drowned in minutes, livelihoods gone. 4th of July celebrations cancelled. Fireworks budgets were reallocated to buy blankets, food, and dry clothes. Volunteers rushed to help, but it was never enough. Rescuers faced collapsing roads, no visibility, and rising panic. Survivors clung to trees for hours. One mother said she and her son waited in the rain, screaming until a boat finally found them. By nightfall, drones, dogs, and sonar were still searching. Power and cell towers were out. Entire neighborhoods were gone, and the rain kept falling.
Holy shit. Wow, that's fast.